for shaping a brighter future for Yogasana in India with the incredible welcome of Dr. Jaideep Aryaji, Honorable Secretary General Yogasana Bharat, Lieutenant General G.S. Chimaji, Vice Chancellor of Punjab Sports University, Dr. Agartalaji, State President PYSA, Dr. C.K. Mishraji, Project Chief Coach of Yogasana NSNIS Patiala, Shri Rachit Kaushik ji, Treasurer Yogasana Bharat, Shri Rohit Kaushik ji, State Secretary of Uttar Pradesh. After that, around 200 candidates from different states of India were enlightened by the exceptional knowledge session conducted by Dr. Aarti Paul, Joint Secretary Yogasana Bharat, on key judging point, which was highlighted by a renowned newspaper of North India, the Tribune. Day 2 started with the extraordinary knowledge session conducted by Sri Shamil Mon Kalamgordji. He is State Secretary of Kerala. He explains the roles and responsibility of scorers, announcers and stage managers across all the events. Day 2 was also thrilled by the gathering of our international boxers Miss Lovelina Borgohain, who won bronze at the prestigious Tokyo 2020 Olympic, and Miss Praveen Huda, who won gold at 2022 Asian Championship and a bronze at the 2022 World Championship in Turkey. Along with their coach Dimitri Dimitruk, they all demonstrated the Yogasana skills and practiced Surya Namaskar and explained the importance of yoga in an athlete's life.
मैं भी डेली बेसिस पे योगा फॉलो करती हूँ। पहले से ही तब से मैंने ओलंपिक का प्रिपरेशन किया, तब से मैं मेडिटेशन बहुत करती थी, क्योंकि हमें बॉक्सिंग में माइंड को शांत रखना पड़ता है। तो
Followed by the unparalleled session by Shri Yuvraj Aditya on TSR, that is time scorer and result. Excellent session on understanding the concept, technique, roles and responsibility of D judges and covering the crucial aspects of micro-marking system. Afterwards, Dr. C.V. Jayanti, Joint Secretary Yogasana Bharat, took an excellent session on understanding the concept, roles and responsibility of jury. And finally, the day 2 ends by the mesmerizing session took by Shreyas Markandeya ji on understanding the techniques, roles, responsibility of T judges for artistic single, artistic pair, rhythmic pair and artistic group. Day 3 kicks off with an energetic session by Sri Guldeep from Maharashtra, learning essential tactics for artistic single, artistic pair, rhythmic pair and artistic group, followed by the energetic session on E-Judge by the expert Abhijit Bose ji, Vice President of Yogasana State Body of Tamil Nadu. Then after, attendees immersed themselves in a mock competition honing their judging skills for artistic single, pair, rhythmic pair and artistic group events under the guidance of TSR team. Then after, the Honorable Secretary Yogasana Bharat Dr. Jaideep Aryaji engages in one-on-one talks with candidates for the distinguished leader's vision for Yogasana promotion and development globally. Let's dive into the energy-packed fourth day of the fourth National Judges Program at NSNIS Patiala on the Chief Judge's role from the esteemed Dr. Sanjay Malpani ji, President of Asian Yogasana and Vice President of Yogasana Bharat, followed by the difficulty judge's role by Chief Yogasana Coach Dr. C.K. Mishra ji and Dr. M. Niranjan Murthy, Honorable Vice President of Asian Yogasana. He took the session on skills of evaluator and chief judge in different events: traditional yogasana, artistic single, artistic pair, rhythmic pair and artistic group yogasana event. Experiencing the power of synergy on the final day, all had witnessed the fusion of mindfulness and sportsmanship as trainee judges kicks off the day with spirited sports activities, followed by the clarifying session by Umang Donji, Secretary General Asian Yogasana. He imparts valuable wisdom to aspiring judges. In the closing ceremony of 4th National Judges Training Program, the Executive Director of Sports Authority of India (NSNIS), Vineet Kumar, motivates the judges trainee with his story of yoga, and the event was summed by an impression of oneness when all had sung this song together.
चलेंगे साथ साथ, ताल हाथों में